Hello everyone! Today we are going to create an icon using Procreate. I'll be drawing a burger in this video, and there is this amazing tool in Procreate to bring anything symmetrical like this, so this will be the main focus today. I created another icon using a different app before, and the app was called Graphic. This time I'm going to create an icon differently. But feel free to check out the link in the description box if you want to know more about how to do it with the app Graphic. Alright, let's start. Create a new canvas from the plus button at the upper right. This time I'm going to customize it to 3000 pixel x 3000 pixel, a square shape. Then I'm going to add a new layer, but the brush I'm using today is called a monoline, which I have by default. Monoline is a brush where the line width is kept the same, as you can see. The writing pressure control is turned off right now, so no matter how strong or weak you write, the line width remains the same. It's better to have the same line width when creating an icon. Something to keep in mind here is that there is a category called Streamline, and make sure to set it maximum. The reason why is because it works as image stabilization. When you set it to 0, you have shaky lines, whereas when you set it to 100%, it enables you to draw lines smoothly. So always remember to set Streamline to 100%. Next, I'm going to draw a burger, which is symmetrical as mentioned earlier. So I'm going to set some things up to get ready for my drawing. From the canvas settings, turn the drawing guide on. Go to the editing mode, where it shows you a list of options, including 2D grid, isometry, perspective grid, and symmetry. But go ahead and select this symmetry. There are other options, including thickness and opacity, but you can adjust them according to your preferences. Once you're done, tap the down button. Now you should see a line in the center, and underneath the layer, it will say assisting. This is how you know you're done setting before you start drawing. About symmetry, it's a way of drawing where what you write on the right is reflected on the left at the same time. This feature is handy, and it lets you draw anything quickly, like Ant-Man for instance. So now I'm going to create an icon. I find it easier to draw on the left, so I'm sorry if this makes it difficult for you to see me draw with my hands covering the screen. Just like this, you only have to draw the left side of the buns, as it then pulls the right side at the same time, completing a picture of perfect buns. With the arrow mark, you could also change the size later too. If you want to watch the whole process or a highlight video, check out the link in the description box, as I created a video for it separately. You can make these wavy lines symmetrical as well, so I drew lettuce with these lines. When drawing a straight line, first draw a rough draft and hold it down, which makes it straight, and while keeping that, touch anywhere on the screen to let you draw a perpendicular or a horizontal line. Lastly, I'm going to draw the buns for the button. By the way, making an icon is honestly tricky. Especially in the beginning, I had to do it over and over, thinking about how I could draw it nicely by trying different ways. But I think once you get used to it, you'll start drawing one quickly. So be patient and give it a try as many times as you can. Also, since Procreate has a Lasso Tool as well as a Magic Wand tool, you could use this later to make some changes too. So yeah, draw by adjusting some stuff on the side. Surround this icon using Lasso Tool and move it with the arrow, where you can find the right balance. If you enlarge or shrink the icon, it changes the line width. So in this case, make sure you don't enlarge or shrink. Once you're done with the outline, we're going to color. The way we are going to color is to add a layer on top. Place the outline at the very top, so we'll be coloring on top of the outline. Tap the outline at the very top where it will show you the category that says Standards. So tap it. About Standards, it enables you to color a different layer for this outline. I'm going to show you what I mean. I tap the layer at the bottom here, choose white for color, and just throw it in like this. And now the layer at the bottom is colored. The reason why we have to do this is because when we have a different layer color, we could change the white part to black or pink, for instance. But when we color the same layer as the outline color also changes, and that's why we need to color a different layer. Another good thing about this standards function is that it lets us color really nicely or evenly. When we draw with our hands, there may be a part that's not painted, but with this, it lets us color to perfection. Alright, let's move on to the next step. We are going to add shadows. We are going to add gray color for the left half of this burger, but use the monoline brush mentioned earlier here as well. Just like how we drew a perpendicular line by holding it down earlier when drawing a curve, we can bring a rough sketch and hold it down, so the shape is transferred nicely. We keep adding shadows as well as decorations, and then it will be complete. Okay, we are done! We are going to export it in PNG at last. Tap the layer button and turn off the background color at the very bottom. We turn it off and make it transparent. From the share button, select PNG format, and this time I'm going to send it to my iPhone using AirDrop. This way, I now have the same icon on my iPhone, like this. Since the background is transparent, we could add this icon to handouts, and there are many other ways to make use of it, I think. If I were you, I would use it for my presentation or website, as well as when creating an infographic. Depending on your creativity, you can come up with many ways to make use of your icon, so try making one in your free time. Alright, that's it for today. Today we made this icon using Procreate. Next time, I'll be making a coffee cup and a tumbler, so please subscribe if you're interested, and thank you for watching. Bye bye!